What's poppin'? What's good? We're back in another video. I'm Michaela, and I do lifestyle, fashion, and hair content, and double and dabble into anything new. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here for this natural hair content. Let's get into how I got these mini twists. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe down below. As you're down, I'm turning on post notifications on. And let's get straight into today's video.
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know.
The very first part we have to do is parting my hair, and I hate parting it. I parted my hair. My aunt did the back, and I just had to do this 3 sections right here. So I have a middle part cross, then turn. I have 2 sides that turn into a box, and I split this in half. Hopefully it makes sense. Then the back row, and then it's just split down. The products we have lined up for today. We didn't go to a store that had those products, but we did yesterday go to TJ Maxx, and I seen this on the line. This is a product I have been seeing at CVS or Walgreens before, and I wanted to try it. But you know, TJ Maxx is much cheaper. We have Wakati Reactivating Conditioner Mist. This will take the place of that Neo moisturizer, and Wakati the oil-infused cream. And this will take place of my curling jelly. I did not like how I explained this, so here we are with a voiceover. Yes, I did run out of my hair products that I really wanted to use for my mini twist hair tutorial, but I'm using this Wakati product for the very first time. I went in with the conditioner mist and dampened up my hair, then a cream. We're also working with a new product, and especially a cream. I have to learn how much I need for my hair. In this one section, I had a little too less, so I went in again and added more. But on the other sections of my hair, I can definitely tell I had way too much cream. Now, that's just the moisturizer. Now it's just basically regular twists. I have no particular way of doing my twists. I don't braid the roots. The key to my twist is I make sure there's no spacing in between after I'm done. So if there is, I redo it in the other direction. With this hairstyle, I didn't want them so many, nor too big, because if I did them way too many, I wasn't going to like them takedown process. Now this is my hairstyle just for 3 weeks before school, and to not worry about doing my hair during band camp week and practices.
Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off, or would you stay up? And if you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again.
So this is the first twist section done. Starting with my second section in the back, I did go in with water and dampen it up, but not too much that my roots were already wet, because my hair does take quite a bit time to dry. I use a lot more mist to try to get moisture into my hair, but after working with this product and after redoing my twists, I personally do not like the mist. It's probably because it's conditioner, so it doesn't moisturize my hair as much. Then I went in with the cream. I do love the cream. It smells great. It's nice and thick when you need it, the appropriate amount. But you see, I'm going with another dose of this cream, and I'm finna twist. Now, I don't like a product overload. That's why I call it when I go ahead and twist or braid and the product's just wrapping around. Some people like that. I just personally don't.
Oh, yeah. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. 'Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh, no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me again.
What I like about how you part it is to make the process go easy. I'm literally done with the back of my head, and it hasn't even been 30 minutes, probably. It probably only took 5 minutes for each side. And this is where I get picky on how I want my parts, because if I am styling them, the parts gotta be looking good. When part of the front of my head, I usually have two parts going towards my eyebrows down, and for this first section, I just keep it that one. I don't split into two and twist it up as usual, still using the same products.
That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I'm gonna give him the go. I'm in delight. Jah knows my passion ignited. Got the music me.
Something I did change up here is I decided not to have a straight down the middle part. I just took hair from the other side and parted it as well.
Baby load one time, then sit down in a class and we board, then only set the road and me go on with the road. Oh, in a rise and post. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks at me.
And we are finally done with my hair. Y'all know how long it could take for wash day and styling. Plus, I did mini twists. On a regular mini twist, take me 2 hours, almost 2.5. So probably saying about today. Yeah, it's 3. I started at 1:30 something. Let me rate these products for y'all before I close out today's video. We're gonna first off this. The design of it, like the package is very cute. That's 10 out of 10. For this, I do like this part of the lock and unlock, so you won't accidentally waste your product. And let me make sure it is locked. It is now. I don't like this spray. I wish it was like a little taller because I'd be gripping it so different ways. Trying to spray this so a little taller sprout. I would rate this a 7.5. I'm going to give it an 8. I would give it a 7. It's in between. This just that's the product base. Not. We'll see how I feel after this is completely dry. I'll rather go back to my Miel spray. This gets a 9 out of 10. This is great. Gotta figure out how much product I gotta use, little, a lot. Probably this depends on this, because it could be this product crunching up from some of the sections that have way too much of this in there. This is great. A little medium size and spread it goes a long way. Not too much, but a little does not do it for me. A little bit and then spread it. I still need a little more. This is how I do my twist. I hope y'all have enjoyed today's video. Go check out my wash day routine if you want to see that. How I got the before and after. Here's after of the final start to finish. Peace out, my beautiful butterflies.